Hey guys, so I decided I'm gonna do a random car haul for you. So I picked up some things at a couple different stores, so I decided I was just gonna do a little haul because why not? So I had to go to Publix because I work there now, again. So I had to pick up my check. So I got some things. Publix has been really sweet to their employees during everything that's been happening during the coronavirus. They actually gave all their employees $50 gift cards for working that week, which was so nice. So I actually picked up a couple things that I wanted, and then I got something for my siblings because I felt like being a nice sister today. So for me, I got, this is new, and I didn't see this till yesterday because someone bought it, and I was like, I have to get it, so I got it. It's a strawberry shortcake parfait. I was like, God, I love the parfaits so much, and I love strawberry shortcake, and I love the granola, so I was like, this is gonna be amazing. Like, it's gonna be so freaking good. So I got that, and then I got me some pineapple and strawberries because I love pineapple and strawberries because they're so good. I cannot wait for the summertime so I can eat literally fruit all the time. Even though I can eat fruit all the time now, it just tastes better in the summertime. So I can't wait to do that. And then I got myself one of these protein shakes. So I haven't been eating a lot lately, and just because like stress and everything, and I just don't have time, and I'm like shaking right now because I literally haven't eaten anything all day. So I've been trying to drink protein shakes, and this was $3 something, so it's a little expensive, but it's the Core Power High Protein Milkshake. It's the flavored chocolate. It's 26 grams of complete protein. It's actually really good. I just chug them because I just want to get it over with, so I just like chug it till it's gone, and then it's gone, you know? So I got that, and then I got some Easter Airheads for my siblings. I don't think they're different flavors, but for some reason I think the package, strawberry, green apple, and blue raspberry. Oh, I didn't know they had strawberries, so we're gonna be trying those later. And then I got them Sour Patch Kids because they are obsessed with Sour Patch Kids. So I decided to get them Sour Patch Bunnies because I thought they were so cute. We love some Sour Patch Kids gummies, bunnies, whatever. So that's everything I got at the Publix because I needed to pick up my money, and that's what else I got. And then I had to go to Walgreens because my foundation is the wrong color. So I went there, and they had a deal going on. It was buy 2 get 1 free, and I thought it was buy 2 get 3 free, and I read the sign wrong, so I accidentally bought one more than I needed and spent a little more money than I wanted to spend. But I got the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in the shade 410. I have 420 at home, but I think it's a little too orange for me until I get tan. So I'm gonna use this one till I get tan, which is 410. And then I got some eyelashes I want to try for a video. So I got the Ardell Professional Box Mink, Fake Mink, whatever. So I got those lashes that we're gonna try for a video, and then I also got the naked lashes that I want to try for a video as well. And then since your girl doesn't really wear false lashes, I had to pick up some lash glue. So I figured this would be the best one. It's the Strip Lash Adhesive by Kiss. So that's the lash glue that I got, and that's everything I got at Walgreens. I spent like $27 there when I didn't want to spend that much, but it's whatever. And then I went to Lidl and I got 10 of my favorite pretzel rolls ever. These are literally the best. I just heat them up in the air fryer and then I eat it exactly how it is, and it's so good. And then I went to Starbucks and got 3 Starbucks drinks for a video, and then I'm gonna hand them out to my siblings so they can enjoy the Starbucks drinks that I tried. So that's literally everything I have gotten at the store today. I thought it would be fun to just do a little haul for you guys. I gotta get the stuff home because some of it's cold and it's gonna get gross because it's in my car for a little bit long. So I'm gonna go home, but thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these random car hauls when I buy random shit, let me know because I will definitely post some more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.